What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys today about doing a review for what's called Blue Tiger Dual Elite headphones. I bought them about a month ago. I go to the truck stops frequently, and I stop in there, take a look at some of the things they offer truck drivers, because I'm sitting there on a mower, zero turn, looking for a better way to run my lawn business when I'm on a mower that's kind of loud, and answer the phone when someone's calling me. I don't have enough money to hire a secretary or someone to answer the phones, so I'm answering the phones as most effectively as I possibly can. So I'm here with this. I want to talk to you guys about it. Some of the things that it does is very flexible, high quality. The material is not some cheap. You know, it's not something that you're going to get at the dollar store or down there at the thrift store. You're going to pay easily over $100 for these headsets. And some of the things they talk about is voice pro chip, the most advanced Bluetooth 4.0 processing chip that comes fully featured with industry-leading noise cancellation technology, multimedia playback control, the ability to pair with multiple devices simultaneously. So that's pretty huge. Lion extended life battery, flex mic, adjustable boom. Nice thing about the flexible boom on this headset, okay, if you look at it, it has a cover, so like it cancels out like the majority of the sound. Like I can sit there be having a mower going, like just a really loud engine of the mower going on a zero turn, and I can talk to somebody and they can hear me. Now I don't know about you, but like if you don't have a mic, something to cover the mic on your phone, people can hear the wind, people can hear loud noise. But with this, it's not bothering them. You know, they can hear what you're saying, and it's not like a lot of feedback. And I'm sitting here, I'm looking at this. When I bought it, I had no idea what I was getting myself into, but this is probably the best headset I've found so far. 50 hours of talk time, 1,000 hours standby. Okay, multimedia, works with music, GPS, and more. So this is what you're getting for this Blue Tiger Elite Dual, meaning that it's not just on the left side or the right side, but it's dual earphones. That's what I bought. I didn't buy the single-sided, I bought both sides. And this is probably the best Bluetooth headphone set I've found so far. If you like this video, leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, spread the word. Check us out on Patreon and other social websites. And as always, thanks again. Check us out in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.